Good morning, children. Today we will discuss one more important topic better from chemical equations. That is balancing of chemical equation. Balancing of chemical equation better. It is very important topic better. Listen carefully. Here I gave one reaction better. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Okay, here water reacting magnesium reacts with oxygen, so these two are the reactants. Okay, next which is formed beta? Magnesium oxide is formed. Okay beta, so the reaction now converting into chemical equation. Okay, now how it will be? Here magnesium and oxygen both are reactants, so they are written in left side. Okay beta, next magnesium oxide is product, so product is written in right side. Okay beta, so always reactants are in left side, products are in right side. Okay, and next here reactants are 2 no beta, so that's why we are giving plus sign between them. Okay, and next here magnesium and oxygen are converting to products, so towards products like this arrow mark should be given beta. So this is the expression of chemical equation. Now the reaction is converting to chemical equation. Okay beta, and next here this equation expressed in words beta, so that's why it is said to be word equation. Okay, already I wrote here word equation. Okay beta, and next here in this magnesium oxygen magnesium oxide, these words converting into formula or symbols, and by using their symbols and formula we are writing again chemical equation beta, like this magnesium symbol Mg, oxygen O2, because oxygen is dimer. Okay, two oxides are present. Okay beta, so O2. Okay now, and next magnesium oxide MgO, these are the formula and symbols beta. And next here, is it balanced state beta? Is it in balanced state? No. Okay beta, so here magnesium, one is present in reactant side, one is present in product side. Oxygen, two are present. Here oxygen is only one. Okay, so the masses of reactants is not equal to masses of products beta. Okay, so which is unbalanced? Okay, which is unbalanced, that is said to be skeletal equation, or which is to be balanced, that is said to be skeletal equation. Okay, remember beta. Okay, when the chemical equation expressed in words, that is said to be word equation. Okay, and next the same equation when it is expressed by using formula and symbols, if it is in unbalanced state or which is to be balanced. Okay beta, so that is said to be what beta? Skeletal equation. Okay, and next we have to balance the chemical equation beta according to law of conservation of mass. Okay, so here how to balance the chemical equation I will explain beta. Listen carefully. Okay, this is the unbalanced chemical equation. Now we are balancing the chemical equation. So first of all we will write like this beta: reactants and products. Here in reactant side, what are the elements are present, just list out them. Okay, magnesium is present, oxygen is present. In product side, magnesium is present, oxygen is present. Okay beta, and next here in reactant side, how many magnesiums are present beta? 1. Okay, in reactant side, how many oxygens are present? 2. Okay, next in product side, how many magnesiums are present? 1. Okay, in product side, how many oxygens are present? 1. Understood beta? And next look at the magnesium atoms, are they in same number or not? Magnesium 1 atom, magnesium 1 atom, so same number. Next oxygen 2, oxygen 1. Okay, in this case what we have to do, look at the number beta, we have to multiply with the suitable number. Okay no, so or else this is even number beta and it is odd number no beta, just exchange the numbers. Okay, then multiply with that suitable numbers. Okay, here we should multiply with 1 because here 1 is present. Next here we should multiply with this 2 because 2 is present here. So like that exchange the factors and multiply with that numbers better. Okay, now look at here, 2 ones are 2 oxygens, 1 twos are 2 oxygens. So same. Okay beta. Then write the numbers better. Here oxygens, how many are they here? 2. Okay, so multiply with this number. So write down. Okay, next here product side, how many oxygens present? 1. Okay beta. And next oxygens, multiply with how many numbers beta, or what is the number? 2. So before that we should write like that 2. Okay beta. And next here while balancing oxygens, the number of magnesium atoms are changed. Okay, look at here, 2 oxygens, no beta. Then what will happen? It becomes 2. Magnesium atoms also becomes 2. Okay, no beta. So 2 magnesiums are present now at product side. Then magnesiums. Okay, now how many atoms are present beta? 2. Okay, cancel the number and write 2. Okay, magnesium in product side 2 are present, but in reactant side how many beta? 1. Then what will happen? This number should be multiplied with which number beta? 2. Then magnesium 2, here magnesium 2. Okay now, so magnesium in reactant side how many beta? 1. So multiply with this 2. Okay beta. Now the check the number of atoms beta. Magnesium in reactant side 2, product side also 2. Oxygens, reactant side 2, product side also 2. Okay now, so this is the way of balancing chemical equation beta. And next look at here beta. I want to write balanced chemical equation. Here 2 Mg plus O2, 1 O2. Okay, or else O2 is giving rise to MgO. Understood beta? 2 MgO. Okay na beta? So this is the balanced chemical equation. Okay, now it is said to be balanced equation or stoichiometric equation. Okay, stoichiometric, which is balanced state. Okay, which is in balanced, the equation is said to be stoichiometric equation or balanced chemical equation beta. Okay now, and next here sometimes beta, sometimes in bit paper like this it is given. Okay now, look at here, 4 Mg plus 2O2 is giving rise 4 MgO. Okay, look at the equation beta. Is it in balanced state or not? While looking this equation, 4 magnesiums are present. Here also 4 magnesiums are present. Here 2 twos are 4 oxygens are present. Here 4 oxygens are present. So both are all are same. Okay na beta. But is it in balanced state beta? It is in perfect balanced state? No. Okay, it is in balanced state, but it is not perfect balanced state. Okay beta, we have to reduce the coefficients. Okay, so how? Here 4 2 4. Okay, so cancel the numbers or reduce the numbers. Okay, 4 2 4 no beta, so cancel out them. Okay, 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now see the equation, 2 Mg plus 1 O2 is giving rise to MgO. Okay beta, so this is the perfect balanced chemical equation. Before that what I gave, 4 Mg plus 2 O2 is giving rise 4 MgO, it is not perfect balanced chemical equation beta. So always the coefficients should be in reduced numbers or least numbers beta. Okay now, so this is the perfect balanced chemical equation, which is also called as stoichiometric equation beta. Okay now, so look at again beta. Here word equation. Word equation means which is expressed in words. Okay, skeletal equation means which is unbalanced. Okay na, that is said to be skeletal equation. This is the way of balancing by using some steps. Here we are balancing the chemical equation beta. Okay, at last we will get the chemical equation which is perfect balanced. Okay, and also called as stoichiometric equation. Okay, here the method which is used to balance the chemical equation, that is said to be one method beta, that is trial and error method beta, or hit and trial method. Okay, now hit and trial method beta. Okay, what is the method used to balance the chemical equation here? Trial and error method or hit and trial method beta. Okay na beta, so this is about balancing of chemical equation beta. Okay beta, I will show two more equations beta, how to balance chemical equation. After that you will practice by taking some more examples which are given in your textbook beta. Okay na beta, understood? Look at the reaction beta, we have to balance that. C3H8 plus O2 is giving rise CO2 plus H2O. Okay, C3H8 means propane. Okay, propane on combustion. Okay, on combustion means burning in presence of oxygen, giving carbon dioxide and water beta. Okay, steam. Okay, so here these two are the reactants and these two are the products. Just in reactant side and product side, what are the elements and how many are there? Just list out them beta. In reactant side, carbons are 3. Okay, hydrogens are 8. Oxygens are 2. Okay beta. In product side, carbons are 1, hydrogens are 2, oxygens are 2 plus 1, 3. Okay beta. And next, try to balance the carbons, hydrogens and oxygens beta step by step. Okay, carbons here reactant side 3, but in product side how many beta? Only 1. Okay, by using suitable number we can balance the carbons. Okay beta, carbons in product side only 1 is present, so we have to multiply with 3. Okay now, next here hydrogens in reactant side 8 are present, but in product side only 2. Okay, just multiply with 4 in product side. Okay, then hydrogens are balanced. Now coming to oxygens. Okay, here oxygens are 2, but oxygens are here 3. Okay, after balancing carbons and hydrogens, here number of oxygens also changed but in product side. Okay, here 3 2s are 6 plus 4 oxygens. Okay, now total how many beta? 10. Okay, not 3. Okay, now in reactant side only 2, just multiply with 5. Okay beta, so in reactant side multiply with 5. Now they check the number of carbons, hydrogens and oxygens beta. Carbons 3 3, hydrogens 8 8, oxygens 10 10. So it is in balanced state beta. Okay beta, look at the equation beta. Here aluminium reacts with ferric oxide and giving aluminium oxide and iron. Okay, in this these two are the reactants and they are the products. Okay, list out the elements and how many elements are present in reactant side and product side. Okay beta, iron in reactant side how many are there beta? 2, aluminium 1, oxygens 3. In product side how many irons are there? 1. Okay, how many aluminiums? 2. How many oxygens beta? 3. Okay, now balance the iron atoms. Okay, here in reactant side 2 are present, but in product side how many beta? 1 only. So we will have a suitable number 2. Okay beta, so in product side we have to multiply with 2. Next, here aluminiums are 1, but here 2. Okay beta, so in reactant side multiply with 2, then aluminiums also balanced. Look at the oxygens, 3 oxygens, 3 oxygens. Okay, so here iron atoms 2 2, aluminum atoms 2, 2, oxygen atoms 3, 3. So now the equation is in balanced state. Okay.